folks, it's me again. I have this foot switch. You can see it's a WEN foot switch. WEN foot pedal. What I use it for is my WEN bandsaw. The problem is when you have the cable going up like this, it sits on the floor, kind of like, see, it doesn't go flat. So what I want to do is, random piece of wood, I want to put it on the end of the wood here so I can put my foot on here and then without having, because it's like they should have made the cable go up or a little looser because it's, I don't know, it's stupid. So let me lower the camera here. I'm going to take it apart and see if I can put it on here. And hopefully I don't screw this up because I don't want to screw it up. Where's my little thingamabobber here? My bench is a mess today. It is a reeling mess. It goes up here. I need something to pull this little C-clip out here. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Come on. Get the hell out of there. Whatever you're doing. There we go. Don't lose that. Pull this pin out of here. And what do we got here? Just a spring and that's it. Right. Jesus Christ, that thing is cheap. Holy crack-a-moly. That is the cheapest freaking I ever seen. Well. Let's see now. Should I just put a screw on the middle? There's a hole right there. See. Won't even have to do much, really. Let's see. Take this. Put it on here like so. And we should be able to just screw it on there, provided I have a drill. Provided I got the drill. This is the part where I probably can't find a screw. See this? Yeah, battery would be nice, huh? Yeah. Dingleberry here. I think I just voided the warranty. Okay. Find me a little teeny weeny screw. Stay tuned, folks. It's funny, you know when you got 5 billion screws and then the one day you need one, you can't find it. Let's see now. But there. Alright. This doesn't work, I'm gonna try something else. Oh, what do you know? The drill went dead. So yeah. Now, for the business end of it. Oh yeah, that's where the spring goes. That's so cool. Who knew it was that easy? Just gotta get that spring there, right spot. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. That mind opener. Yeah, that's good. Well, we'll go down now. There we go. That's like that. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Shit. This is fun. I didn't do anything different to this thing. Now why is it not one going? There's absolutely no reason why this thing shouldn't go back in here. What the hell? What the hell is this thing doing? Shit. Well, that would make sense. Well, switch things. Come on. What happened? go. So now, this on here, this on here, that's on there. It's on the right spot. Holy camolies. Okay, there we go. Get that stuffed in there, like so. You see what I'm doing here? Come on, line up, line up. There we go. Got that in there. Take the little clippity clip thing. Pop that on like so. Oh, there we go. Get in there. Is that thing all the way? Appears to be. So now we have, let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Stay tuned, folks, stay tuned. Anyway, folks, if you're not familiar, this is my WEN bandsaw, and that there's the plug, and if you look way down here, that's where the plug goes. And if I go like this now, now it stays on the floor. So not only can I hold it with the back of my foot down, it used to just like dangle like this, but now it actually stays on the floor. If they would put a little bit more weight to it, it'd be better, but this bandsaw is actually, so far, has worked pretty good. It's got a start blade in it and works good. And my lights are making my hands look like I'm sitting on fire, so. Anyway, if you like this little short video, let me know. And don't forget, when you know, you know. Don't forget to subscribe.